Okay, this has to be the craziest thing. Well, I was actually making a video on the Pixel Fold, but just before releasing the video, here is the thing. Google itself has released a teaser video of the Google Pixel Fold, and they have confirmed Pixel Fold is definitely coming, and it is just going to be as we thought it would. So let me tell you all the things that I know about the Pixel Fold. We recently saw a Google Pixel Fold hands-on video, and now we also have the Google Pixel Fold official looking marketing materials. This render actually shows the Obsidian variant of the Google Pixel Fold. And boy oh boy, I just don't have words because Google is making a foldable device, and that's a big important thing. Even though it might not be the best foldable, but it will be best for the future foldables. 7.6-inch primary AMOLED display from Samsung, 120Hz refresh rate. 5.8-inch secondary AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate capabilities. So on both of the screens, you're never gonna feel like it's slow because it's just all 120Hz. That's great. Now the weakest point of this device would be that this is coming this quarter, and that means it will come with the Tensor G2 processor that is quite a bit old at this point. But that doesn't mean it is not capable. It surely is capable, and Google is not focused on the performance side of things, rather they are focused on the AI side of things. So definitely it's a really capable processor, but not the greatest one. And as for the RAM though, it will come with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 256 or 512GB of storage options, so the base storage option is still quite a bit high. In terms of cameras though, it will come with a 48MP OIS enabled camera, main camera, a 10.8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and another 10.8MP camera, but this is a teleporter camera. As for the other camera, there is going to be a 9.5MP cover camera or selfie camera on the cover screen, and an 8MP selfie camera but on the inner screen, and that will be mounted on top of the bezel. And talking about the bezels, they're going to be quite a bit thick bezels at the top and the bottom of the display, which might sound disappointing or look really odd on the renders. In real life it may not be that much, but then again it's still quite a bit disappointing. But the Google Pixel Fold is going to be quite a bit wider of a device, so when you unfold it, it will be more of a landscape phone than a portrait one like the Z Fold 4. If you look at the overall size and things, it is kind of sitting in between the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Oppo Find N2 Fold. It's bigger than the Oppo Find N2 Fold, but it's also wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but not as tall. As for the price tag and the launch date, well, the Google Pixel Fold might be arriving on June 27th after the announcement on 10th of May at Google's I/O event, and the Pixel Fold will also cost quite a lot more than you think. $1,800 for the 256GB model where you can have the chalk or the obsidian color options, or $1,920 for the 512GB variant where you will only get the obsidian color. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? Well, one quick thing though, if you look at the teaser of the Google Pixel Fold, you will actually see a text showing that it is not still certified by FCC. So even though it will come to the US, but it is still not certified. So I just don't know, but it will still take quite a bit of time before the release. The launch will happen on 10th of May, but the release date is going to be a little delayed. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.